Welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making porridge yam. These are the ingredients that is needed for this porridge yam. Stay tuned and watch me do this. Okay, the yam is already peeled and sliced into desirable size. I've already washed this yam, so I'm going to be cooking it direct. In a preheated pot, kindly add oil. Kindly add the oil that will make this yam porridge colorful. I'm going to be adding tomatoes. The frying of this tomato takes just 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes frying, I'm going to be adding water. I'm going to be adding the yam now. And the crayfish comes in. Add the onions. I'm going to be adding the Maggi chicken. So I'm going to be adding the fish. You have to also check it in between. Let's be checking if this yam is ready. It is now ready. So the yam porridge is ready. This is the simplest way to cook yam porridge. If you're a lover of yam porridge, you can see the porridge is very thick. It is also thick. So it's no longer cooking. For those who like to add vegetable to their yam porridge, you can actually introduce your vegetable at this stage. The colder this yam porridge gets, the more thicker the porridge is. So I'm going to be allowing it to get more cold in order for me to get a good yam porridge that is thick. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.